everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account using your iPhone device. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Alright, to delete your Instagram account on your iPhone, you have to open the Instagram app. And then you have to tap the profile icon given at the bottom of the screen. Now from here you have to tap the three lines at the top right corner. And then you have to select settings. Now here you have to simply select the help option. And here you have to go to the help center of the Instagram. Now once you are on the Instagram help center, what you have to do is you have to tap the three lines at the top right and then select manage your account option. Now here you will see the option to delete your Instagram account. Simply tap that. And now here you have to select the second option that says how do I delete my Instagram account. Now here you will see a lot of information regarding what will happen if you are permanently deleting your Instagram account. So if you want to start the process, you have to tap the button delete your account. And now here on this page you have to select the reason why do you want to delete your Instagram. So you can select any reason that you want, as you can see at the bottom of the screen. You can select privacy concerns, and you can't find people to follow, too many ads or something else, and then press done. Then you have to re-enter your Instagram account password. And once you are done entering the password, you can read the information that if you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted on this date. That is the 1 month period, and you won't be visible on Instagram between now and then. And in case you change your mind, you can log back in before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. So for the 1 month period, your account will stay deactivated. If you want to get it back, you can simply log back in, or it will get forever deleted. So after that, you have to press the button delete my account. Alright, so that's all you need to do to permanently delete your Instagram account on your iPhone. That was all for this topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as we keep on posting informative videos every single day. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, where I post similar content. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.